me show you love some more.
I paid 100,000, I freaked it. I bought an 87 for the weekend. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want.
Hey! You got a remix. Keep in shape and do my physical fitness. Your head's and so your brains are miss this. Pick 'em up, beat 'em up, pick 'em up, beat 'em up, pick 'em up. Go ahead, pick 'em up, Piggy. I roll with clouds, and I come real sticky. Ripping the mic, I plug it up in your ears. Present rude. I'm coming out like beers, like. Now I'm back to funk, freak the funk, hype the funk, swipe the funk, and all that junk. I get busy on them. Communicate with the world, man, woman, a baby boy.
Rock your body. Hey, it's me. Yeah. Come on, baby. Don't be so quick to don't walk away. Come on, dance with me.
That's what fun sounds like.
Give you a dose of bad medicine. Machine gun chest.
Hold up, they're trying to take this thing to another level. Let's go. Let's go. We gon' start this thing on right. We got the gun stop in the house. We gon' start this thing on right. We got the ATL in the house. We gon'
Click, food job.
tick, boom, hit me banging down these back streets. Loving Black Street, treated like an athlete. Life ain't a track meet. It's a marathon, the cemetery that a nigga get buried on. We be coming to the gate, we die. You can ask the bartender if you think we lie. But if you think we hot, you can think again. Cause when it's sink or swim, you got to think to win. And if it
Don't stop, get it.
that's real.
Don't stop, nigga, hit it.
I will, I'm gon' do it.
The paradox.
Get it poppin'. Fight! Open up the trunk, open.